oftentimes you're gonna see this error that I have on my screen right now when you download an application from a website or another place or the Apple Store. This is just some kind of protection. Apple tries to protect you. I don't know if you can see it, but if you look here, it says that I downloaded this file today and this is the time, and I downloaded it from my Brave browser. Okay, so Apple is not happy with that, so it tells me that this app is damaged and can't be opened. What has happened is that Apple has added some type of attributes to this application, preventing me from opening it because Apple is trying to protect me. But I actually want to open this application because I know what it does and I know I can use it. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem if you ever come across this problem. So I'm just going to cancel out for now. I'm just going to click on cancel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to applications, okay, and I'm going to right click on the name of the software, okay, go to services, and I'm going to open new item tab. You can use the built-in terminal that comes with your macOS, okay. You don't have to use this one. If you don't have it, just use the built-in one. I just prefer using item. So what I'm going to do right now, inside the Daemon Tools app, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it back to the applications directory, okay, and now I'm going to type in the command to tell Apple to remove that attribute from the application so that I can actually launch it. So I'm going to type x-attr for attribute -d com.apple.quarantine, I can spell that, and then I'm going to type the name of the application and hit the enter key on my keyboard. Now as you can see, there is no pop-up message or any confirmation, but I should be able to open the application right now. So I'm going to go to my launch pad, okay, and I'm going to click on the application, and it's asking for my password. I'm going to put my password, and that should be it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it useful, please comment, like, and share, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe.